The 2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cold weather package, universal garage door opener, center armrest, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, power windows, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.